So, talking of lead oxide, so again, standard crystal, 24% lead oxide, up to 34% is the highest level of crystal, I suppose. But going from lead oxide to dihydrogen oxide, herein lies a problem. Now, this toilet is blocked. It won't flush. Now, you've got two choices. Get a plumber or go to another op shop for $2 and get a plunger. Plumber or plunger? Plunger. Just stick that in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Bob's your uncle. It's gone down. Now, it'll cost you $250 to get a plumber to do that. A $2 plumber, yeah, it is a $2 plumber. From an op shop, a $2 plunger costs you $2. And how long did that take you? It didn't take a 6-minute video to do that, did ya? No, it took seconds. And it saved you a lot of money, didn't it? Bones of your ass, right? You keep up with the boneses by living on the bones of your ass. Well, the bones of your ass, you know what it does? It blocks toilets. But it doesn't have to cost you